Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Gabby.
I'm Alex.
And today we're doing S'mores Maker.
So this is an easy alternative to making s'mores when it's like raining outside or you don't have a fireplace. So now we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. So here it is. I do not know how this works at all.
So I think that you put these two down and when you turn it on, you put your s'mores here, and then you put this on the s'mores and put it in the microwave.
And it keeps the s'mores pushed down. But I don't know what this is for. I don't.
Well, we have instructions, so let's look at them. Oh, it's a book. So it says here that you put water here.
So you have to put water in here, and then
You put your s'mores here.
you put your s'mores on here, like we said. Like we said.
This is reattachable.
Yeah, this is reattachable if you break it.
Give me. Where does this go?
So
Can you lift off the lights? So basically, after you put your s'mores on, you put these two on here.
don't use a lot of force.
Not really. And then you put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes or seconds. And then it starts again. And again. And again. And again. And basically that's it.
Yeah, so let's do this. So what you need is you need water and the thing you're gonna use to make your s'more.
And
You have to fill this up with water to the fill line. And the reason why you have to put water in it is because it uses steam to melt the marshmallows and the chocolate. So now I'm going to just put this in there without spilling anything. Okay, so I put it to the fill line. And next you gotta make your s'more, put it on here.
No, I'm doing it, man.
We are making two because I want a s'more also. Thank you.
So as you make your s'more,
So
it's supposed to look like this.
then you put this on here to hold it down.
And then you put it in the microwave for a couple.
And then you put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And we'll see you after then. It has finished. I don't really think it uses steam. Like, I think it was just from the microwave. This does look like it needs to be pushed down a bit, so I'm just gonna do that.
So
So
lift things up.
now we're gonna taste it to see if it tastes better than a regular s'more over a fire.
It does not look burnt at all.
Yeah, it's not burnt, but still, it would never taste burnt over a fire either. So
I know.
now we're gonna taste it. It's good.
Really good.
Yeah. It doesn't taste better than it would be over a fire.
But it tastes good.
It actually just tastes the same, so is it s'more? Okay, so we already know that this works. But would it turn out the same if we just put the s'more in the microwave? Let's find out. Okay, so we put it in the microwave, and this happened. It puffed up.
And it smells burnt.
It does, but it's marshmallow. So yeah, it does turn out different. The marshmallow will puff up and become huge, like this, and then
Ooh, it's actually
implode. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it.
So, in my opinion, I think you should use a machine. Unless you really like puffy foods or puffy marshmallows.
Difference is when you do this, chocolate is hot. But better.
So since I didn't try it, how does it taste?
Like a s'more, but better than that one. Because
So in your
it's
opinion-
meltier and stuff.
So, in his opinion, he likes it better than that.
I still think you should get this because otherwise it just puffs up in the microwave and like the cracker comes off.
Like I said.
And then it like implodes or whatever.
Unless you like puffy marshmallows.
But that's really the only difference, and that the chocolate actually melts.
A lot faster.
Yeah. Okay, so I really like this.
Me too.
I think you should buy it. It tastes the same as when you do it over a fire, but I just like doing over a fire more. It's better.
And it's funner.
Funner?
Yes, funner. I made that word
More
a word.
fun. So I think you should buy this.
Because it's delicious. And leave a comment down below if you tried this or if you haven't tried this.
Or if you like doing it over a fire better. And like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!